Hello everyone, my name is Satyam Basu. I am doing my BTech from Manipal University, Jaipur in Electronics and Communication Engineering. I am here to present my presentation on my project Car Black Box. So let's begin. The contents of my presentation are the topics that I learned during this internship, what is Car Black Box, its requirements, the microcontrollers and microprocessor features, PIXM Lab, CLCD, matrix keypad, what are ISR timers, and finally we'll talk about the project implementation. So this is how the internship began with the introduction and revision to the C languages, where I got to know about the decision making statements, loops, arrays and pointers, functions and strings. I also got to know about MPLabX ID, XC8, PiximLab, and all and the various peripherals of 16F877A microcontroller. We also had our quizzes during weekends, and at the end we had workshop which were very helpful. Requirements. These are the following requirements for the implementation of this project. Starting with MPLabX ID, X8 compiler, PiximLab, PIC16F877A microcontroller, 16 into 2 CLCD display, matrix keyboard, timer 2, tactile switches. Embedded systems. So first of all, what are embedded systems? It is actually combination of any hardware and software which is intended to do a specific task. In simple layman terms, we can say embedded system is hardware plus software plus specific task. There are various types of embedded systems consisting of standalone system, real-time system, network systems, and mobile systems. What is a car black box? A car black box is a simple device installed in a car that records several data, information, or events. Example, location, speed, mileage, etc. A car black box enhances the driving of a car by providing necessary observations, thus enhancing overall safety standards of the car. Its advantages are it is a very reliable device, it is easy to extract and analyze the recorded data, it enhances safety standards of vehicle and is very helpful for insurance companies. Disadvantages can be that since it is an it contains electronic gadget and it contains lot of electronic equipment. Chances are they might get damaged sometime. These are the basic differences between a microprocessor and a microcontroller. In simple terms, we can say microprocessors are used in personal computers, whereas microcontrollers are used for more specific tasks. For example, washing machine, air conditioners, car black boxes, etc. CLCD display. It stands for Character Liquid Crystal Display. It displays the ASCII characters and some special characters. It is generally used for display purpose. Matrix keypad. It is a keypad in which various tactile switches are connected in rows and columns. This is used when more number of user inputs are required and still want to save some controller input-output lines. These keypads are mostly used in telephones, calculators, digital lockers, etc. ISR, as you all know, are interrupt service routine. It is a software routine that hardware invokes in response to an interrupt. Interrupt is a communication process set up in a microprocessor or a microcontroller in which an internal or external device requests the MP or MCU to stop the processing. Then the MP or MCU acknowledges the request and attends to this request. It goes back to the processing where it got interrupted. Timers are very important in embedded systems. They are uh, actually uh, they actually maintain the timing of an operation in sync with system clock or an external clock. So I'm now going to share various snippets or clips of my project. As you can see, these are several images of how I implemented my project. This is the main screen. Then this is the enter password screen. As you can see, we go after entering the password. We can see view log, and then view log details can be seen. We can also clear all our logs, and then at the end we can change or reset our password. Conclusion, I would like to say that this project was very informative and something new of a kind for me. I got to learn very new concepts, and I also was able to revise my C topics. I'm very thankful for Emertxe Technologies for providing me with this internship opportunity. Thank you. Hello everyone. Now I'm going to implement my code on the simulator. As you can see, this is my MPLabX IDE and this is my main file. All the code is written in this file, as you can see. So main.h is the file which contains the necessary header files. You can see all the header files are written here. I would like to thank Rajni Shinde ma'am who has helped me so much in implementing this code. Now I'm going to build this code. Build, loading completed. So let me go to my Pixim Lab simulator file, loadex, open. So my file is loaded. As you can see, this is the display mode, that is CLCD mode. This is time, event, and speed. I'm going to change my gears now. I'll first press RB0. This is collision at speed 79. I'm going to vary my speed now, 86, and I'm going to change my gear, GN. I'm going to vary my speed once again, first GR. All these data is being recorded, as you can see, G1, and this is my final speed, G2. So I'm now going to change this screen and I'm going to view my recorded events. First I have to enter the password. So my password is 2424. 2424. We have basically allotted these two buttons the numbers 2 and 4. So this is my select button. If I select view log, you can see at 0th time, 0th position, this is the time, event is on and speed is 0. If I go to the next event, see collision, uh, event is collision, at collision no speed is there, 2 GN, gear is shifted once again, speed is 86. I have changed the speed using the potentiometer. GR, speed is 86, again the speed has changed. G1, again the speed has changed, 63. The time is being recorded, everything is working quite fine. Now I'm going to show you. Let me reset this first. If I enter my password once again, 2424, I'm going to clear log, select logs cleared successfully. So using this, all my events would be cleared. So now I'm going to now change my password. Change password, select this. I'm going to make my new password as 4444. 4444. Enter new password 4444. As you can see, password has changed successfully. Now, if how to check if change password is working fine or not? Because it has given successful implementation. Let me now check for a wrong password. If I select this, now I've entered my new password as 4444, and at the re-enter password, I'll just write 2222. As you can see, password change failed. So with this, I can say that my project has been implemented successfully, covering all the aspects that has been covered in the course. I would like to thank Rajni Shinde ma'am for explaining in such a great detail and with so much of effort. I would also like to thank Emertxe Technologies for providing me with this internship opportunity, thus opening a gateway to a newer world of technologies. Thank you so much.